Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make this airplane called the upper safe. The upper safe is like a dart, but it's way smaller. The prototype looks like this. Today I'm going to show you how to fold it. First, fold the paper in half. You can take your own time, but just make sure it's perfect. Then open it. This is just like making an aeroplane, a normal one, but it's way different. It's okay if the tip here is flat. It will sharpen up by the time we are done. Anyway, you don't need that. And then fold it like this. And you see this line crease? You fold it. It's very hard to fold. And then you have this. Fold it in front, like this. You got this. And then put it back where it was. And you see it's very thick there. So I'm going to take one of my rulers and then flatten. Once you're done, you will fold this like this. Then you can make the wings just a bit past. It must be at least this big. Take your time. If you need more time, just pause the video. Now we have this.